guy Adewale Solomon. The training pattern was better because in anything networking engineering, if you want to learn, you need a practical aspect, like practical experience. In Titacom, it's where by which they will teach you how to deploy router, how to deploy switch, and do a lot of things. Now I know a lot of protocol. I can even mention from my mouth right now that Titacom have taught me HSRP, VLAN, also with OSPF, BIGRP, a lot of protocol like that. If it's not because of Titacom, I won't know at all. So I give Titacom I'll give Titacom 90% of 100%. They will teach you a lot of stuff. I recommend you just come to Titacom. Like I said earlier to one of my colleagues, I told him that my brother will be coming here hopefully by next year, so he can also come and learn. I don't know, maybe web developing or anything he can do, because now technology is taking over the world globally. So we need to have the skills. So I would just advise anyone looking at this video to just come to Titacom and learn anything.